and today we've got an Aer Lingus landing at Rugby High Hill Airport, which is not Rugby International because that's a couple of miles away at the moment. But this is Rugby High Hill, and it seems like it has not got nothing at it at the moment. An Aer Lingus Boeing 737 is about to land at Rugby High Hill, and we'll be going to stand this one here, which would be nice to see. It seems like it's just waiting for taxi clearance at the moment. It seems like it has got taxi clearance. It is now taxiing to the gate. I wonder how it's going to do this. Whatever. It is coming closer and closer and closer. Shamrock 2889 is its Shamrock 2889 is its registration. There we go, guys. You should hear the APU shutting down in a minute. There you are. That's the APU shutting down. There you go. It is now shut down. Aer Lingus Boeing 737 has just landed. There will be more planes arriving in 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure in 5 minutes what is landing is let me just check. I'm checking, I'm sorry. Etihad Boeing 787. After that will be a Boeing 777 Emirates. So until then, thanks for watching. And hope to see you again in 5 minutes.